Good evening, everyone. Today we will discuss the mathematics model question paper. Part 1. We will study two papers. One word answer, two word answer, and in this session we will study 3 marks questions. So, in this 3 marks question, first question is 25th. So, one of the 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus k is one more than the other 0. So there are two zeros are there. One zero is alpha, other one is beta. So what they given now? So one more than the other one. So suppose alpha is equals to. So they are saying one more. So one plus the other. So that is why beta is equals to one. So what is the equation? It forms alpha plus beta. As we know, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So alpha plus beta is equals to minus by a. So minus as it is, you write minus. B means the second number. B means that second number, that's minus 5. Minus 5 divided by a means 1. So minus into minus it will become 5. So that is alpha plus beta is equals to 5. Next, the second one is sum of the sum of the products. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So c value is k. So divided by a is 1. That is alpha into beta is equal to k. So next we'll put the values. What the values are? Alpha. So here in this place, so alpha plus beta is equals to 5. So what is alpha? Alpha is equals to, so 1 plus beta. So 1 plus beta in the place of alpha plus beta is equals to 5. So 1 plus beta is equal to 2 beta. 2 beta is equal to 5. You send 1 into right side. So it become 2 beta is equals to 5 minus 1, that is 2 beta is equal to 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So beta is equals to 2. So we got the 1 0, that is beta is equals to 1. So we put the values in here. That is first equation. Alpha is equals to 1 plus beta. So alpha is equals to 1 plus 2. So alpha is equals to 3. We got the value of alpha. Alpha is 3. So now what we have to make a, so we have to make a find the value of k. So k value, that is alpha into beta is equals to k. So alpha is 3. Alpha is 3. Alpha is 3 into beta is 2 is equals to 3. 3 twos are 6. So k is equals to 6. This is the value of k. So we write it in the equation, that will become x square. So here it is a equation. So what is the equation? X square minus 5x plus 6. So this is the quadratic equation. Let's move on to another question, that is find the two number whose sum is 27. So two number, one number you imagine as a x, another number is y. So the sum they're saying, so write the plus. So that is 27. Another one is the product is 182. So product means into x y is equals to 182. So you send this one into right side. Otherwise you can make here also. So send this one into this side. So y is equals to 182 by x. So write this value in the equation number 1. Equation number 1. What will become? So x plus y means in the place of y, should write this value. That become 182 by x. So equals to 27. So now cross multiply. So this one cross multiply. So it become x square plus 182 whole divided by x is equals to 27. Now you send denominator into right side, it become into, it become x square plus 182 is equals to 27x 27 27x. So now factorize these things. Write it in the quadratic equation x square. So take it inside 27x plus 182 is equals to 0. Now factorize these terms. What you have to write the factors of 182. So 182 factors are. So we can take it as We can take it as 13 14 za 13 14 za, so 182. 13 14 za 182. So otherwise you can factorize 5, factorize this one, 2 9 za, 2 1 za, so okay, 7 7 1 za 7 7 3 za, so 13 13 1 za, so 13 so okay, 7 2 are 14 and 13. So 14 and 17. If you add these two numbers, you will get 27. So here also minus, here also minus. So here this x square. So x and x. Write it here. So x square minus 13x square minus 13x and minus 14x plus 182 plus 182. Plus 182 is equals to 0. So now take a common from these two numbers is x. So x minus 13. So and these two numbers we will take up minus 14 we can take. So x minus 13. So from these two we will take common, that is x minus 14 and x minus 13. So this x is equal to 14 and x is equals to 13. These are the two numbers. X is equal to 13 and x is equal to 14 are the 14 are the two number. X is equal to 13 and x is equal to 14. These are the two numbers of the two numbers, sum of the two number and sum of the product of the two numbers. I think you understand this concept. So next we move on to the another question, that is the altitude of the right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than the base if the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. So here, so write the one right angle triangle, right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle is A, so B and C. So here 7 centimeter less than its base. So altitude, this is the altitude, this is the base and this is hypotenuse. So which one? We are saying um, base altitude is 7 centimeter less than the base. So we can say take it as x and 7 centimeter less. So x minus 7. So hypotenuse they give 13. So according to Pythagoras. So write Pythagoras, that is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is 13 square is equals to AB means x minus 7 whole square plus x square. So next to 13 square means 169 is equals to. So right, take it as identity. So that is x square minus 2AB. So that is 14x plus 7 square is 49 plus x square. So we will take the into right side. So 169 minus 49 so is equals to x square minus 14x 14x. So 169 minus 49, that is 120. 120 is equals to x square minus 14x. Rewrite this equation in the form of quadratic equation. In the form of quadratic equation. We write this equation in the form of quadratic equation, that is x square minus 14x minus 120 is equals to 0. Again prime factorization. This one equation. So we will get to the factors. So what is the factors? So 120 x square, that is factors are we should get the 14. We should get the 14. So the factors are 12 5. So 12 12 1 minute 2x square. So here we missed so x into x, that is become 2x. Here also 2x. Here also 2x. The whole equation can be divided with. So wait 1 minute. So whole equation can be divided with 2. The whole equation can be divided with 2. So if you divide with equation 2, that become x square. So minus 7x minus 60 is equals to 0. Now we take the factor of 60. 60 is, so 12 5 is so 12 5 is 60. 12 minus 6 is, sorry, 12 minus 5 is 7. So we have to subtract. We have to give the minus symbol for bigger number and small symbol. So x, write it here. So x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equals to 0. So take the common from these two, x minus 12, and so we'll take plus 5. So what remaining? X minus 12 is remaining. So take it as x is equals to minus 5, x is equals to 12. So we should take the positive value. Therefore, so the base will be 12. So 12 minus 7 will be 12 minus 7 will be 5. 12 minus 7 will be 5. So this is the altitude is 5 and the base will be 12 and the hypotenuse is 13. I think you understand this concept. Thank you. We'll continue in the next video.